Good morning, respected teachers and my dear friends. Today, I am standing before you to express my views about importance of reading. Reading is a habit that can make us all a better person. Reading gives us knowledge and inspiration. It makes us smart. There are numerous examples of great people who emphasize on reading for a good and successful life. Reading exposes our mind to a great treasure of ideas and thoughts. People share their experiences in life and work thought books. Reading such books can be of great help. Reading novels, biographies, stories, poems, etc. entertain us. It helps to relax our mind. We try to visualize whatever we read. Definitely is a healthy exercise for our mind. When we read books, we stay engaged in it. We stay in the present moment, forget past bad memories. This helps to reduce stress. Books are one of the most powerful things in the world. They offer us new opportunities to gain knowledge, grow and be inspired. Good books are like a great investment. If we read them, we get an overview of great thoughts and experiences with so many benefits. Reading is certainly a good habit. We all must include it in our lives. Once we develop this habit, we can never get bored. It is really a good way of person growth and development. With this, I conclude my speech. Thank you.